Alrighty, it is time for our announcements. Yay! Announcement number one. Announcement number one is do your reading logs. All of you people, do them. Read books. So many books. Read, 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 read. Okay? Get your reading logs done. Today is Thursday, which means you should technically finish your 4th day of reading log. There are 2 days of grace. So if you have a night where you're like Axel and you have a poopy diaper and you can't read, that's okay. You can take that night off and read the next night when you do not have a poopy diaper. Okay? So you have those 2 days of grace. Second announcement, 1, 2, is going over the four Seesaw assignments that you should have completed. Let's look at them. Yes, Axel. Here we go. The 4 Seesaw activities that you should have completed today are as follows. First, we talked about growth versus fixed mindset, growing our brains. And you should have sorted statements into a growth or fixed mindset column. Next up, you should have worked on day one of main idea democratic values. So you should have completed slides 1, 2, 3. Say it, Axel. 1, 2, 3. And then saved your work. And on those slides, you should have read a text, said the main idea and highlighted details, and written down 2 questions that you have about the text. Next assignment is creating and identifying unit fractions. Here you go, Bob. You worked on looking at fractions as shaped models, number line models, and as sets, and you were to identify the unit fraction for each one that was given to you. You also should have completed your DMR. That is your 4th assignment, was your DMR, okay? Announcement number 3 is that I will be sending a Parent Square message to your adults that includes Mr. Kemper's principal's message for the week. Please ask your adult if you can watch that with them. That is a message to you as students and to your families as members of the Indian Creek community, right? 4th announcement is that on Monday, so starting on Monday, we are going to be taking the next round of our Illuminate testing, okay? If you remember, Illuminate testing was when you took a little reading test independently, and then at the beginning of the year, you logged on with me for a one-on-one time, and I showed you a text for a minute, and you read as much to me as you can. We're going to do that again starting on Monday, okay? So Monday is your independent test portion, and then all throughout the week, I'll schedule you for a 10-minute time where you're just going to read to me one-on-one on a Zoom time, okay? So during those work times, I will be testing you one-on-one. All right, kiddos, that's all of the announcements that I have for you. That's everything that you need to know for right now. I love you. I will see you tomorrow at 8:30 after you finish your Lexia at 8.